Ferrari F40 is one of the most iconic cars ever made. It was built in the late 1980s and it has won the Golden Challenge with the Porsche 959. It's very unique because Enzo Ferrari, who founded Ferrari, is the last car he gave his personal approval for. Besides that, it's got a screaming V8 engine with 471 horsepower and it goes from 0 to 100 in just 4.6 seconds. Even by today's standards, we've got loads of fast car that is still really quick. And because it's so quick, because it's very light, it doesn't have air conditioning, it doesn't have carpet, it even doesn't have a radio. All that to save weight and become so quick. What is also special about this car is that everybody loves this car. Every little boy wants a poster of this in his bedroom and just enjoy the beautiful curves it has. Also, nowadays these cars in good shape cost more than 1 million euros. So it's iconic, it's quick, and it's just a really beautiful car to look at.